Jasmy basically acquired roughly 20.78% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. The MA50 really is right now at $7, which especially is genuinely critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin sort of is drifting at $531,187.5 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy in a real sense has its especially next opposition at $6, showing that Jasmy in every practical sense acquired roughly 20.78% inside the by and large most recent 24 hours in a quite huge manner. 24. February 2024. In this video, we will walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters, 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these as often as possible. For the most part, sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what especially is momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, basically is Jasmy a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so forth in a significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping, especially profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, basically let us for the most part discuss the truly current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1977,896, 265, 575, or so they most certainly thought. In every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $50, 334, 576, 911. Fundamentally further appearance how Jasmy especially acquired roughly 20.78% inside the most recent 24 hours, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%. Which really shows that Jasmy sort of acquired roughly 20.78% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours in a by and large significant manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,543.17 level after a vertical development of 0.77%, showing that Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $987.48 during the past 24 hours, or so they fundamentally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time period, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Sol, the genuinely local coin of Solana, fundamentally is up by 2.3 and right now exchanging at $103.77, or so they really thought. Furthermore, XRP came to $55 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, which for the most part shows that Jasmy generally acquired roughly 20.78% inside the most recent 24 hours in an essentially significant manner. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market by and large is going in an extremely descending course for truly momentary in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a most certainly broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a really descending heading for fundamentally transient in a significant manner. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction are significant specialized pointers used to recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they generally thought. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchases generally become kind of more truly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized markers used to all things considered, distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction, especially is a level at which merchants in a real sense become moves sort of dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so support generally is a level at which purchases by and large become commonly more by and large dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction, especially are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a significant manner. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin execution, the truly current Jasmy coin cost. explicitly as $16, with an exchanging volume of $531, 187, 519 in the precise beyond 24 hours, showing how furthermore XRP came to $55 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally shows that Jasmy acquired roughly 20.78% inside the most recent 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge. At present, Jasmy by and large is up by 20.78% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $784, 533, 894 US, showing how furthermore XRP came to $55 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, which sort of shows that Jasmy in every practical sense acquired roughly 20.78% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin value. Examination Jasmy cost investigation for 24 February 2024 inside a day-to-day time period fundamentally made sense of beneath. So Jasmy especially has its next opposition at $6, exhibiting that Jasmy certainly acquired roughly 20.78% inside the most recent 24 hours, which essentially is genuinely critical. We utilize truly relative strength indexes, moving genuinely normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly basic moving most certainly normal smart and dramatic moving especially normal and may to in every practical sense. Examine the future development of the Jasmy coin, especially further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin sort of is floating at $531, 187, 519, which especially is genuinely critical. The MACD line most certainly is remaining beneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin financial backers need to truly hang tight for any directional change over the essentially everyday diagram, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 184%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,977, 896, 265, 575 in an all things considered huge way. The kind of relative strength file RSI for Jasmy coin explicitly is right now drifting at 19 for 14 days, especially normal line, which truly implies Jasmy generally is in oversold zone and a pattern very inversion fundamentally is conceivable. Pretty further appearance how these occasions show that the market especially is going in a truly descending heading for in every practical sense present moment or so they certainly thought. While Jasmy's Williams %R pointer in every practical sense is at 77 to 22 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition.